Hey guys, it's Blaine here again, your tech guide. Today we are going to be checking out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro case. So this one here is from Caseology. Let's check it out and see what this thing looks like on our 5 Pro. So it looks like you just have a tab here to pull out. Okay, welcome to the club. We are happy to have you. Okay, and the case itself is right here, guys. There it is. Silicone rubber case for your 5 Pro. And you see the design there. It's got some texture to the side. And also where the bezel area got that nice sandy feel texture to it. Okay. So this is quite easy to install. You just snap it on. I don't even think you have to remove the watch band to install this. So just line this up. And it looks like it's just, might be just a snap-on. Just give me a second here, guys. Oh yeah, so it's just straight up snap on, and we pretty much got it on there, guys. Just that simple. And you definitely do have lots of protection all around the watch. So you can see the buttons are tucked in there. You got lots of protection on the side button here. And of course on the top, look at that elevation, a lot of protection. I do have a tempered glass on top of it as well from Spigen. And you got your speakers cut out. And yeah, everything fits very well, guys. So if you want that extra protection, if you are going out hiking or some rugged terrain, anything that's requires protection to your watch, this case protector will definitely protect it, guys. Okay, so there she is. And of course you have your navigation, very easy to use. And when it comes to charging, you can just charge it on the back here. You got plenty of space, guys. You don't have to remove the casing when you charge this. So yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. Just a quick video of this casing. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get one. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.
That's my secret.